Hello friends, I hope that you are doing well today and welcome back to my channel to Vlogmas day 3. It is Sunday, the weekend still. So generally we do like hair, just take care of yourself type of thing, but we also try to meal prep so we don't have to cook during the week. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And I kind of did a lot of pre-cutting and stuff just to go a little quicker because else I wouldn't be able to get this up and going. So without further ado, let's get started. I also prepped, I think, about 1 kilo of chicken with just salt, black pepper, and some garlic powder. I let that marinate overnight, and we're gonna start off with that and cooking some rice. So I have some oil in a frying pan there, and I forgot to say that I added cornstarch as well to this chicken, and I'm gonna fry them first. And I'm actually afraid of the oil. Let's go. Ow. So the chicken is cooking, and I added my water with a little bit of salt and butter for the rice. Once the water is boiling, I'm going to add the rice and leave that cook as well. And in the meantime, I can prep the other stuff that needs to go in the oven. So we're moving quick. A lot is going on right now, but I'm just prepping something that I'm going to put over the garlic, the broccoli and the sweet potatoes. So I have some garlic in here, and I'm going to add a pinch or two of salt and a little bit of oil. If you're looking for measurements, I got none. I just eyeball, kind of go with the flow type of vibe. So I'm just gonna kind of mix this up a little bit to look a little bit like this. You can add more stuff if you want, like more seasoning, like onion powder or whatever. And I cut my sweet potatoes, I don't know how to call it, but like long way, like probably 1/2 centimeter or 1 centimeter thick. They're not perfect, but I'm going to be baking them like this. Just choose the easiest way for you to bake them. Try to get them even, so like that you know that they will cook good for the same amount of time. I actually don't care if they stick together. I just want to get most of them on there. And then I'm just going to rub some of this on it so it has some flavor. And this can actually go in the oven as is, but I'm going to prepare the other sheet with also the broccoli. For the broccoli, I'm just going to mix the same oil, a little bit of oil, black pepper maybe, and just massage this. And this is going to go on a sheet like this in the oven as well. I know I said that I was going to be sprinkling some Christmas magic, but for me, meal prepping is Christmas magic, because that means to say during the week, I don't have to cook, and there's not a lot of dishes because, one, it takes time, but to be honest, it's magic when the food is already prepped, when it's something that you like to eat that is delicious, nutritious, everything that you need. So I'm all for it. the middle of this video, I kind of went silent because it's just faster for me to do instead of just thinking before talking. So the rice is done and I'm just making the sweet and sour sauce for the chicken. I added ketchup, soy sauce, white vinegar, brown sugar, a little bit of water, and a little bit more of cornstarch, I believe, is to thicken it. And we're going to use this sauce for the chicken in a little bit. After the chicken started getting a little bit of the brown color, I removed it and then let my onions and peppers cook a little bit before adding the sauce. And I'm going to add back the chicken, and you just adjust the flavor according to if you need it to be sweeter, salter. You just add more soy sauce or more brown sugar and just play around with it to get the flavor that you like. This was actually my first time making the sweet and sour chicken. I watched a lot of recipes online and it's not too bad actually, and I really really like it. So I'm really looking forward to this meal during the week. Also, yes, I'm in kind of joggers, whatever outfit. Doesn't look too pretty, but it's cozy and chopping and cutting all kind of stuff that was in the freezer. It's just cold. It's cold right now. It's like about 0 degrees. At night, it's freezing. So I'm trying to stay warm and survive. For this second recipe that I'm going to pair with the sweet potato, I'm cooking some ground beef. I'm going to wait until it's cooked at about halfway through and then add some onion and garlic that I have already chopped. I like to use the Badia green seasoning. I feel like it flavors the things well, but you can use whatever seasoning you want. If you just have salt and pepper, then you can use just that, cayenne pepper and all of that, and cook it all the way through. And then I'm just going to add them inside of the meal prep bowls and they're ready to go. I also will top them with a little bit of cheese, and I feel like if you make your own patties, you could easily make this into like a burger but healthier because it's sweet potato instead of bread if you like need to cut off the bread a little bit. So, or you can also put this as a side with some salad or something like that. But I do love the sweet and salty combo. As you can see, most of my recipes are based on that. And then for breakfast, I had these 2 bananas left, which is perfect because I like when they're like kind of overly ripe because they're sweeter that way. So I'm just going to use them to make some smoothies. And yes, it is cold, but I think that it is kind of like hot my milk. So it's a hot and cold kind of situation, but just to get it down to room temperature. So I'm just putting half of a banana with any kind of fruit. I have mango, strawberry, and blueberry. And then in the morning, I will add some Greek yogurt to both. And for the mango, I also add a little bit of turmeric powder to mix it in. It's good for anti-inflammatory purposes. And then I just leave the mixed berries just by themselves because I don't feel like adding anything to that. I don't feel like the turmeric goes well with it. So yeah. Okay, I'm done meal prepping, and obviously there's a ton of dishes to wash, but I'm not going to show you guys that. I'm going to end the video here, trying to keep it around 10 to 20 minutes per video, so it's not too long. I hope that this video inspired you to meal prep in the year 2024. God bless we make it, or even this December. As you can see, I try to balance the meals so they are, kind of still on the healthy side, but still fun and enjoyable. So I'm excited to eat those this week, which leaves a lot of time for me to do other stuff that I want to do without having to be in the kitchen per se. I didn't make dessert, but I can still figure out something about that. And let me know what you guys think of these recipes. Obviously, like I said before, I'll put all the ingredients in the description box below, but not the measurements because I don't measure. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Bye!